Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to use a mixed FOTRIC camera to keep yourself safe before doing a thermal imaging inspection. First, we're going to use the acoustic module to identify whether there is partial discharge inside the cabinet or not. We're going to set up the camera for partial discharge detection mode. I can use the AI on board to detect whether there is any type of partial discharge and what type it is. Now we'll proceed to scan the beams of the cabinet, making sure that there isn't any signal coming from it that the camera identifies as partial discharge. After I have made sure using the ultrasound camera that it is safe for me and is still wearing all the proper PPE, I can proceed to perform the thermography inspection in this cabinet.